In addition to the manual describing all the activities and experiments you're going to do in the summer lab, we have this manual with some general information. And I won't go into this manual in detail, but it's very important that you read it, and I've tried to make it short and concise, but I will go through the main topics with you here now. And of course, first we have some clear goals for the course. We want to inspire students and give them knowledge. They shall feel safe, because that's when you learn. They shall have fun. And then, of course, we go into the scientific. We want to learn science. And we also give you some clear advice on how to open the program and how to learn to know each other and learn each other's names. And at this point, you also need to talk about security rules. And we have added some really more specific and more detailed rules for you as teachers, which is very important that you follow. I will here especially point out that you are not allowed to improvise an experiment without consulting with me first, because the few times we have had small accidents in Scientist Factory is actually when teachers have done exactly that. So if you have some good ideas and something you want to do, please be open to discuss it with me. Usually it's no problem, but we always want to have a security check before you improvise something. And we also have an emergency plan and what to do with minor accidents and major accidents. It's important here to have phone numbers on your phone so you easily can contact those you need. And also always have ready the paper that shows you the phone numbers to the different parents to contact them. Here I have written a little short version of our pedagogy and also some good advice for good leadership. And I will just point out rule number 1, that's be kind. It was a big survey among school children was done some years ago here in Norway, and they were asked, what's the most important quality with a teacher? And the answer these researchers got most of the time was, they are kind, they are kind. And that's also what we see our students answer, oh, I had such a kind teacher. But of course, you must be kind, but at the same time, you must be firm, you must be clear, you must be secure. And this is especially important when you open the course. You know, you have to stand there, smile, talk to them, and be confident. And at the same time, show them that you want the very, very best for them this week. We have also added some tips on how to keep control. And I will say that one of the most important things here is that you that are course leaders together really cooperate and help each other out. Support each other, strengthen each other. That's very, very important. And also added some practical advice. It's impossible to do an activity if you don't have everything ready that you need. So that's really important to prepare everything on forehand. And here is also some advice with communication with parents. If something gets really challenging, I'm here to help you. And the equipment will be a separate film because that's kind of important and you need some specific advice there. We've also added how you can close the course, handing out diplomas, maybe making a quiz, etc. And in the end, you will find 3 checklists. One for before the course starts, during the course, and after the course. So what's in this manual is actually experience from 10 years of summer labs. So we hope you also will find it useful. Good luck.